I got another pistol unboxing. It's not new, I got it secondhand, but it's still a really nice replica pistol. As you can see, it's a Colt MK IV Series 70, Colt government model. So he's gonna open it up. So like I said, it's second hand, so he had 2 magazines for me. He had the original grips because these has special grips. As you can see, it comes with the regular Colt grips, plastic grips, and the replica itself with another mag, the original magazine. Oh, look at that, pearl grips. Isn't that beautiful? So like I said, yeah, it's full metal. Has a nice weight to it. So it's just a regular M1911. I can get my other one for comparison. Alright, this is my other 1911. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just put these on here, so because I like these one more. So yeah, Colt logo, and it still locks back. So he didn't shoot this much. So because you can see this one doesn't lock back anymore. I shot it a lot. Let's see if this one does that too. Yep. To show you that it is the magazine. Will lock back this one, and this one too. But my own magazine does not. So yeah, moving on with these. Still, there's not really much I have to say about it. I mean, it's a nice Colt pistol. Some writing in here. German F mark. Colt's government model. Yes, everything seems to work. Trigger feels much lighter. Yep. So yeah, not much to say. I'm gonna shoot it on video, and that's the unboxing, I guess. We'll be right back with the shooting.